What if AI could help you earn extra income? Not by replacing your job, but by helping you work faster, create more, and build totally new income streams. Today, we're diving into exactly that. In this explainer, I'll show you 7 realistic ways people are actively using AI to make money in 2026, even if they are just getting started. Let's dive in.
So I want you to really shift your mindset for a second. Ask yourself, what if AI could literally be your own personal income-generating assistant? A lot of people approach artificial intelligence with this sense of hesitation or fear, but we need to flip that script completely.
Because look, if you read the headlines, it's all about AI replacing your job, right? But the reality for proactive people is entirely different. It's not about job replacement at all. It is about building new income streams. It's about taking this insanely powerful tool to work faster, create more, and unlock opportunities that were literally impossible just a few short years ago.
So we're going to bypass all of the theoretical fluff today. I'm going to show you exactly 7 realistic ways people are using AI right now to generate real revenue. We're looking at grounded, practical methods you can start exploring today.
Here is the playbook we'll be covering in this explainer. First, digital assets and content. Second, freelance and web services. Third, knowledge sharing. Fourth, local AI consulting. And finally, we'll ground things with the reality of AI wealth.
Starting off with Section 1, digital assets and content, creating scalable media.
Okay, so AI has completely obliterated the barrier to entry for content creators. Think about starting a YouTube channel today. You really don't need expensive cameras or a massive studio anymore. AI acts as your ultimate production assistant. It can help you write your scripts, generate shockingly realistic voiceovers, create those eye-catching thumbnails, and edit your videos so much faster. By handing off those tasks, you free yourself up to focus on the big picture, building an audience. And once you have those eyeballs, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing.
But hey, it's not just about video. You can also sell digital products. We're talking ebooks, specialized templates, digital planners, business checklists, printable designs, the whole shebang. The market for things like digital planners is absolutely massive right now. These are assets people are actively searching for every single day to organize their lives and their businesses.
Now you might be wondering, how do you pump out all these products without burning out? Well, it's all about that co-pilot relationship. You see, AI does the heavy lifting, brainstorming ideas and drafting the initial content so you never have to stare at a blank page again. But then you step in to refine and package it. The AI provides the speed and the raw material, but it's your human touch that turns it into a polished, sellable product.
Moving on to Section 2, freelance and web services, offering direct solutions.
Look, businesses right now are absolutely starving for content. They are desperate for help creating blog posts, product descriptions, marketing emails, and just an endless stream of social media content. Most business owners simply don't have the time to do this themselves, and that is exactly where you step in as a freelancer armed with AI.
And here is the absolute secret sauce. AI can speed up your workflow, but your editing and creativity still add value. You can jump on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find the clients and use AI to blast through the actual work at lightning speed. But remember, at the end of the day, those clients are paying for your creative eye. They're paying for your editorial judgment to make sure that AI-generated content perfectly fits their unique brand voice. And it goes way beyond just writing. There is a massive opportunity right now in building AI-powered websites. Get this, you do not need to be a programmer anymore. Thanks to no-code AI tools, you can build complete websites, landing pages, and even set up simple back-end automations for small businesses. They will gladly pay you to be their tech bridge and handle this stuff for them.
Let's hit Section 3, knowledge sharing, monetizing your recommendations and skills.
Affiliate marketing is a fantastic place to start here because it's just a wonderfully simple 3-step process. Step 1, recommend software and AI tools you actually use in your own workflow. Step 2, share your personalized referral link. Step 3, when someone buys through that link, boom, you earn a commission. You're basically getting paid to share what already works for you.
But to build long-term success here, you have to do it right. The absolute best affiliate marketers focus entirely on honest reviews and real-world demonstrations, not just hyping things up. Trust is everything. If you show your audience exactly how a specific AI tool solved a real problem for you, they are way more likely to click your link than if you just promise them the moon with unrealistic hype. Course creation is another game changer. Seriously, if you are good at something, you should be teaching it.
People will happily pay for knowledge that saves them time or helps them master a valuable skill. And AI just removes all the friction here. It can literally organize your lesson plans, prepare your presentation slides, and even draft the quizzes for your students. It takes the total headache out of the process.
All right, Section 4, Local AI Consulting, helping businesses adapt.
Here is the reality on the ground. Many local businesses still have no idea how to actually use AI effectively. They hear all the buzzwords, sure, but practical application, zero. If you take the time to learn how AI tools can supercharge customer service, revamp local marketing, or just boost everyday productivity, you can walk in and act as a consultant to help these businesses adapt. You literally become their guide to the future. Think about it this way, and this is huge. Saving a business hours of work each week is sometimes way more valuable than trying to sell them another shiny new product. If your consulting helps a local bakery or, say, a law firm shave 10 hours off their weekly admin work using a simple AI automation, that is immense, quantifiable value. And trust me, they will gladly write you a check for that. Finally, Section 5, the reality of AI wealth, setting expectations.
Because we need to be very clear here. AI is not some magic money printing machine. Just signing up for an AI tool won't guarantee you overnight success. But as we've seen throughout this explainer, what it does is open up entirely new opportunities. It gives you leverage. It allows you to punch way above your weight class by helping you work faster and create exponentially more than you ever could on your own.
So who are the people actually winning in this new landscape? The ones who benefit the most share 3 key traits. They constantly keep learning as the tech evolves, they aggressively test out new ideas, and above all else, they consistently create value for others, whether that's an audience, a freelance client, or a local small business.
Which brings us to the end of our explainer. Out of the 7 realistic ways we just covered, which AI income idea would you want to try first? The AI revolution is happening with or without us. So the only real question is, are you going to be a spectator or are you going to actively build your future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to subscribe to Neural Future for more AI tools, business strategies, and tech insights. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.